Do you feel a lot of sensitivity? Do you wake up with a lot of pain in teeth and jaw? Well, do you want to know the reason behind this? Hi, I'm Dr. Drishti, and today we'll be discussing about one severe dental problem that goes unnoticed, which is bruxism or teeth grinding. The clinical signs are flattened teeth, sensitivity, jaw pain, tooth pain, and even headache. Bruxism is caused by stress, anxiety, abnormal sleep patterns, and abnormal bite. Bruxism causes irreversible tooth damage that can be prevented by wearing customized night guards or by simple lifestyle modifications. So do not ignore it. Visit us today to prevent any further tooth damage.